Amazon Prime Day is a lot of noise, thousands of deals, flashy banners, countdown timers everywhere. It's easy to blow money on stuff you don't need, especially travel gear where there's a million gadgets competing for your attention. So we did the filtering for you. These are 10 travel items around or under the $30 mark that we've actually used, actually packed, and actually bring on trips over and over again. First up, I wanted to hate this thing because it just seems like a cheap piece of plastic, but I have carried it to probably 10 countries now, and it is really darn useful. This phone mount by Paralogics. It clamps onto the airplane tray table and holds your phone perfectly right at eye level. Dual joints, 360-degree rotation. It works in portrait or landscape, and it even clamps on when the tray table is up. What we often do is load up an old iPhone with shows for our daughter on long travel days, and this little mount is a crucial part of that setup. Absolute lifesaver. I've also used this as a mount for my phone to use the GPS during many drives throughout Europe, like the footage you're seeing here of me driving throughout Malta. Clamped it right onto the dash, and it worked perfectly. This thing is like 13 bucks and has no business being this useful. Airplanes are loud. Constant engine hum. Baby 2 rows back. Couple next to you narrating their entire vacation itinerary. I've mentioned earplugs by Loop before. The Switch 2, which runs closer to 50 or 60 bucks, and they're great. It's an incredible earplug. But for this video, we're focused on value, and the Quiet 2 is their more budget-friendly option. They're made of flexible silicone, and they come with 4 different ear tip sizes, so you can dial in the fit. They reduce noise by about 24 decibels, which is enough to take the edge off without making you feel totally sealed off from the world. You can still hear an alarm or an announcement, but you don't hear the stuff that's keeping you awake. They're reusable, and they come with this tiny carrying case. They take up very little space at all. If you've been meaning to grab a pair of earplugs and you keep putting it off, just do it. These can easily just live in your bag. All right, here's a $10 purchase you can make once and then just leave in your bag forever. I have carried this exact sleep mask by Alaska Bear to over 20 countries. It is super plush, lightweight, silk that just kind of cushions your eye sockets, 100% blackout, perfect for a long flight, perfect for a hotel room where the curtains may not block out the light, and perfect for a mid-afternoon nap when the sun's still outside. There's a reason this thing has almost 40,000 positive reviews on Amazon. It's soft, and you barely feel it on your face. This is one of those items that sounds really, really boring until you need it, and then you're very glad you packed it. All right, this next item is one of my wife's top 5 most underrated travel essentials. It's this stain remover pen by Miss Mouths. Easy for when you spill some sauce on your shirt and you have multiple days of your trip left. You dab it on, let it sit, and the stain lifts out. It's tiny, packs in your toiletry bag, and it works on food, drinks, or grease. Whether you're traveling with a toddler or an adult who spills sauce on their shirt every single dinner, it's 2 pens for 10 bucks. One of these cheap, life-enhancing things you don't really think about till you need it. Now, one area you absolutely don't need to spend big on is toiletry containers. There's brands out there selling refillable twist top capsules for 70 up to even 100 bucks, which is just ridiculous. And these stackable containers by Human Gear are around 14 bucks for a set of 4. They twist together into one neat little stack. They're leak-proof, FDA food safe, and BPA free. They're marketed as snack containers, but honestly, they're perfect for travel toiletries, face creams, vitamins, that sort of thing. We use them for a lot of different things. And added bonus, the rubber gasket seal means cabin pressure changes on flights aren't gonna mess with them. Compare that to some of the trendy capsule brands charging 30 bucks per container, and these are an awesome value. The Awala Free Sip. This is my favorite water bottle for travel, and I use it every single day. Dual-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel. There's a straw for sipping and a wide spout for chugging, so you don't have to swap caps or anything like that. The button on the top locks it shut so it can't pop open in your bag. And it doesn't explode on the plane if you remove the internal straw. Cabin pressure can make water bottles do weird things on planes. It comes in a bunch of sizes, 19 to 40 ounces. around $28 to $33, depending on size. And on Prime Day, it typically drops to the low 20s. Whether it's earbuds, your chargers, maybe some snacks, or a bunch of the little things I've shown you in this video, they kind of end up floating around in your bag. But having a lightweight pouch to corral all of it in makes a real difference. This is the Bellroy Light packing pouch, and it's made from their Dura-Lite ripstop nylon. It's super lightweight. The zip opening covers 3 of the 4 sides, so when you pop it open, everything's visible at a glance and you're not digging. When it's empty, it folds completely flat. It comes in a 2-liter and a 3-liter, so you can mix and match depending on what you need to organize. Bellroy makes very quality stuff, and for the price, this pouch punches way above its weight. One of the things that goes into every single bag before we leave for a trip is an Apple AirTag. Personal item, carry-on, check bag, all of them. The peace of mind of being able to open your phone and see exactly where your stuff is worth the 29 bucks alone. If you gate check your bag at the last minute, you know where it is. If you left your day pack at the restaurant, you know where it is. A quick tip, don't fall for the fancy hang tag to hang it on the outside of your bag. It just defeats the purpose. Just drop it into an interior pocket and forget about it. That's it. Another absolute necessity that is way too useful for the price, a Bluetooth audio transmitter. You might have spent a good amount of money on some noise canceling headphones, so it's super frustrating when you're on a long flight and you can't actually use those headphones with the seatback entertainment. Instead, they hand you those flimsy wired earbuds that maybe don't sound as good. I've been using this one by Me Audio forever. You plug it into the headphone jack on the in-flight entertainment system, pair it with your Bluetooth headphones, done. You can even pair up to 2 sets of headphones at once so you and your travel partner can share a movie. It's very small, it's got a solid battery life, and it's another one of those things that I just leave in my bag. All right, this is one of my all-time favorites, the Osprey Ultralight Roll Organizer. Now, real talk, we're filming these videos before Prime Day. This is about $40 at full price, but Osprey products tend to see solid Prime Day discounts, and if this one drops under 30, it's a no-brainer. When it comes to toiletry bags, there are way fancier options out there. Gravel, Peak Design, gorgeous bags. But I'm pretty basic when it comes to this stuff, and all I need is something that packs pretty small, has some water resistance, and has a hook so that it can hang up in the bathroom. I've carried this one to 30 countries now, and it just works. It comes with a little mirror, it has a dedicated pocket for wet items, it rolls up tight, and it weighs almost nothing. There are definitely toiletry bags with more bells and whistles, but for the price and the durability, this thing has just been going strong for years, and I don't see any reason to replace it. Now, if any of these wicked cheap travel essentials are right for you, please consider using the links in the description below. And if you want to see the gear that I think is totally worth the splurge, check out that video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.